Hello everyone, welcome to my channel IELTS Speaking with Ishish. In this video, I'm going to talk about follow-up questions. Follow-up questions are third part of the speaking test, and nowadays follow-up questions are very tricky according to many students, but I want to make sure that this is not the case because follow-up questions are just an opinion-based questions. Okay, and opinions are neither right neither nor wrong. And moreover, IELTS speaking is not an interview, it is just a conversation between two people. Okay, so as long as you're saying on the topic and with good English, you will get your desired band. So in this video, I have taken a topic extreme sports. So I'll like to give some answers so that you can use in your speaking test. So let's begin. So the first question is, why do some people enjoy extreme sports? So we can answer, people enjoy extreme sports because they think their life is very dull and boring. There is nothing new that they can do. Moreover, they want to have a feeling and an adrenaline rush which will enrich their life. So in order to experience the thrill, they do these type of activities. Okay, I hope this is also clear. Now, question 2. What kind of precautions should be taken while doing such sports? So we can answer, there are many precautions that need to be taken care before doing these type of sports. First thing is, the person who is going to do this activity should be physically fit. He or she shouldn't have any physical problem. Secondly, mental stability is the most important aspect of doing adventure sports because most of the adventure sports are related to mental capability. So mental stability is extremely important. Other than this, I will say the trainer should be certified because we are giving our life to in someone's hand, so we should be assured that the person who is going to do that activity with us is a certified trainer. And fourth, we should keep check that all the equipments which are used to do this activity are well maintained, are in good shape. Okay, I think step 2, question 2 is also clear. Now question 3, are men more likely to do adventure sports than women? So you can answer either way, but I'll say, let's say, I don't think so women are less into adventure sports because in this contemporary era, women are doing all the things which men are doing, and they have also equal capability. For example, there are many women vloggers who do extreme sports as a career. So I think there is no difference, and women and men are doing this sports equally. I hope this answer is also clear. Question 4. What are some popular outdoor activities in India? Okay, so we can say there are many outdoor activities which are very popular in India, but the most famous is cricket. Cricket is like a religion in my country. Almost everyone knows about cricket and they have played cricket once in their life. Other than cricket, I would say football, hockey are also very popular, but nothing beats cricket as an outdoor activity. So I think question 4 is also clear. Now let's move to question 5th. Question 5th is, what do young people do in groups? So we can say young people in groups like to do traveling, and other than traveling, young people like to go to watch movies with their friends, and also they like to try different type of foods and cuisines from famous restaurants. So I think these three activities are which very popular among youngsters, and these activities they do in group. So I think question 5 is also clear. Now let's talk about question 6. The question 6 is, should people with families and children dependent on them do such sports? Yes, because I think everyone has family. It doesn't matter if that person is married or not, because I think they have parents. But the only thing which the person should keep in mind is that he is physically fit and mentally fit to do this activity. If the both these options are okay, then he or she must do these activities. Otherwise, I don't think so they should be allowed to do these activities. Okay, so this is about adventure sport questions. Sorry, this is again repeated. So I will make more videos if you want me to make more videos on follow-up questions. Okay, and this is my book. This book is for cue cards, and 4 videos are already available, so you will get an idea about it. So I hope you like this video. If you want me to make more videos, please do comment about it. So I'll make more videos, and also mention the topic which you want me to make videos on. Thank you.